Hello YouTube, Jeremy Martin 72 here, and I will be unboxing and presenting the Google Nest Mini second generation. Now I have a lot of the first generation ones. I like them. They were really nice when they first came out, but after having them for a while, you realize the music's kind of tinny. The bass is kind of meh. Is alright, I guess. And it's your first smart speaker. You could turn lights on and off, and you got music at demand, and you can do phone calls and stuff like that on it. So I mean, it's cool for the price. All the stuff that you could do with the original generation was nice for the price. You had a lot of things to do. This has something that is on my Google Home Max. I love my Home Max. It has if you can afford it, it has an option to where if you can buy two of those huge speakers, you can set them up to true stereo. You can have one speaker on the left, one speaker on the right, and have true stereo separation in it. You will be able to, as far as I know, you will be able to do it on this as well. Now, I've tried to unbox this single-handedly, and I've messed it up so many times, I've quit doing it. So, here's what's in it. Other than the paperwork, you get the plug, which this part is familiar. All right, you get your Google symbol on it. If you can see it, there you go. Got your Google symbol on it, but then you get a different kind of power plug for this. Kind of reminds me of the 80s. And you get this. Now, I'm not going to show you the back of it because on the back of it, you got a setup code that is stamped into it. But on the side, you have the port for the power to plug into. You also have the same analog switch that will mute the microphone. And the typical controls, tap it in the center to play or to pause. Tap on one side for volume and, up or down, whichever way it is. I don't even know what's up or down on this thing right now. And that's it. I'm looking forward to giving it a try. I'm going to put this one in my bathroom. I'm going to go get my rubber ducky, and I'm going to jam out to some Slayer and enjoy myself. And my brothers and sisters, get some toys. If you have a Chromebook, or if you have a Pixel phone or an Android phone, I highly suggest, get yourself a Mini. Go ahead and add that onto it. Download your Home app and all that other stuff. Maybe get yourself a smart light or something like that. But this definitely is awesome. This thing is supposed to have some good bass in it, better bass in it. So I'm looking forward to it. My brothers and sisters, y'all be safe. Remain security aware. Keep up with security. And Google on.